shaper candy making machine. So then in it there comes candies, this machine, 8 molds which you can put the candies in. So you put the candy here and then you put a mold on it and then it makes it the shape you want. So now let's get unboxing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So here's the candies, the molds, and now
this is how it works.
let's open this up.
Let's see how it works. The instructions.
Open it. We open this up.
That's a symbol thingy.
Let's just open a little bit, not too much.
So what is
So Moz, what color candy? Moz wants green? Yeah. That color? Ali, what color candy? Okay, so we got 1 yellow. We're gonna make 1 red. And let's see if we can find 1 green.
I don't get this.
Okay, Moz, you can have orange. Red, pink, and orange. Okay. So we have to put this here. Okay. This is kind of close. Push it down.
Yummy?
Okay, there we go. So we're gonna put this in here. Then we put this on right over here. And then we put this cap on.
Yeah. And then how you push it?
Yeah, I have to push it in this cap.
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
Cool.
Up and down.
That's all.
Okay, that is, and then take off the cap. Candy is in the mold. Yes. Okay, so we got this out. We got this out. Now, we're gonna make another one. Moz, you wanna eat this with some? Moz? Eat. So this is a very fun machine to make candy. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video.
And please watch our other videos.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.